How to watermark your video in 1 minute. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. So to watermark your video, you can search for the built-in app Clipchamp. So once you open it, you'll find create a new video option, tap on it, and then you'll need to upload the video from your desktop. So you'll see import media, just tap on it. So choose the video that you want to watermark and then it will appear right here. You just have to drag it down here, and then once it is dragged, you'll see text option on the left hand side. Tap on it, and then here you'll see various text styles. You can use a text style from here, or you can even put your own text. So just tap on plain text, tap on the plus sign, and you can add your text right here. So you can watermark what you want to, and then you can just select it, and then on the right hand side you will see adjust colors, so you can put any color that you want to, and then you can even change the text style, the font, and then you can put it any way that you want to. So that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.